One, two, three, go.
Sorry, my favorite
Your
blank?
favorite blank.
Kumpay lang ako na sasabihin.
What's your favorite thing this favorite blank?
Favorite? Probably the solstice. I enjoyed it a lot. It was a good experience for me. The bouncy castles were fun. The singing was, yeah, it was okay. My friend sang, so I was proud of him. And yeah, it was just a fun experience.
All the boots and anik we got.
My favorite bazaar was in MPH where I bought these patamsnis. No, me too, the bazaar.
It was probably the art museum. Like there was an art thing. He had a fever.
Two of us went there.
Yeah, and he had the fever. He was hallucinating and stuff. So the pictures weren't really there. So we don't know what's real or not. He was sick, you
We
know?
had a lot of fun.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. I personally like, honestly, probably the math thing, MLH 101, because we did like mathematics stuff. Fire.
That's all.
Yeah, that's it.
So my favorite booth this Students Week is actually from Critter Cafe. I got this cute keychain that reminds me that things are going to work out for me.
Pick po yung bawat piyesa po na isa po siya sa mga event po na ng friends ko na org ng dance org po. Kaya masaya po siya kasi yung competition po niya, hindi lang po siya na basta-basta competition. There is a lot of learning experience as well po. Yan lang.
And my favorite event this week is The Watchers in GDO. It's scary.
Lasallian Against Corruption po, led by USG. Kasi nandito din po si Attorney Chel Diokno and si Ate Kayla and si Sir Alvin, which is nakikita natin na pinaglalaban pa rin natin ang nangyayari sa Pilipinas at ang korupsyon na nangyayari ngayon na sobrang laganap. And nakikita natin na meron pa tayong pag-asa para baguhin ang kanibukasan natin.
The thing that I like most about Students Week is Solstice.
I agree with him. My favorite event last week was also Solstice. The bouncy castles were cool. Also, I was, nagbantay ako ng booth and the tarot card reading was also really cool.
That's fair.
My favorite thing this Students Week was actually what they had at Sayet's building. They showed their architecture plates there, and I think that was actually pretty good.
Art exhibit?
Yeah, the art exhibit there. You get to pick like your favorite one, you put it in a number and you put it there, and you get your stamp after that. I think that's my favorite part of the Students Week.
Obra 21. Kasi, ayun nga, since, ma-appreciate ako sa mga arts, MMA student ako, I appreciate the artworks that is made by the VIPAPO members. And overall, I really like art. And Obra 21 is like one of the yearly events in Students Week that I will always go to.